So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create really cool and smooth liquid animation with using RealFlow plugin. So firstly guys, I'm going to take this one cube and I increase cube size. Guys, size like 2000 centimeter and y-axis like 5 and z1 same 2000. Yeah, right? Okay, so guys, next one I take cylinder here and click on here lines. Yeah, okay, so guys, radius I like 5 and rotate 90-degree. Yeah, and now guys, I create smoothness from edges, so I go to caps and faded check. Yeah, and guys, segment is good, radius like 1. Yeah, okay, so guys, select this cylinder and duplicate, Ctrl C and V. Yeah, and rotate same 90-degree. Yeah, right. So guys, select both and again copy. So create shape like this. Yes, see guys, that's my shape. Okay, so guys, select all cylinders and group Alt G. Yeah, that's my null object. And now guys, I create animation. So select this null and guys, I increase frame like 500. So go to here, so select this null and I go to chord and rotation. Guys, I create rotation like this. Yeah, so go to 0 and press this animation key. Yeah, and go to last frame 500 and rotation like 2000 and press this animation key. Yeah, right. Okay, so next step guys, I go to timeline F curve tool. Yes, see guys, that's my graph editor. So select and click on here liner. Yeah, so again go to back and play. Yeah, simple guys, right? So guys, select this null object and again copy. Yeah, and go on here. Yes, see guys, that's my composition and little bit more. So I go to top view panel. Yeah, that's really good, right? Okay, so see guys, that's my simple animation, right? It's really good. Okay, so guys, next one I apply RealFlow, so use screen. Yeah, so guys, use animator to circle. Yes, and go to up and change position like this. Yeah, okay, so guys, select this animator and I go to here object and wedge size like 20 and same 20. Yeah, and animation all is good. So go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's my animation. And now guys, go to flood, go to type and liquid to change SPH, this one. Yeah, and resolution this time like 20 and density increase one more 0. Yeah, and velocity like simple 20 randomly. Yeah, and play. See guys, that's my liquid effect. And go to display, size increase. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, I apply tag. So select this null object and RealFlow collider. Yeah, and play. Yes, see guys, that's my effect, right? See. Okay, so guys, same, select this null 2 and apply collider. Guys, I change some setting on collider, so go to here guys, friction 0.5, bounce 0.1. Yeah, and sticky like 7, simple, and roughness like 0.1. right? See guys, that's my setting 0.5, bounce 0.1, sticky same 7, and roughness 0.1. Yeah, see guys, that's my collider setting. So guys, now my system getting a little bit slow. That's my, yeah, right? So guys, this time I use mesh, this one, yeah, and build mesh catch. Yeah, see guys, right? Okay, so guys, select this mesh and radius, guys, like 4, and increase smoothness like 5. Yeah, and take relax like 0.1. Yeah, and play. Yes, see guys, that's my really smooth effect. That's my really smooth particles, right? Yeah, beautiful, right? Okay, so guys, my particle animation is finished. That's my load material, and guys, that's my file. Yeah, see, and see guys, that's my honey material. That's liquid one, like this. Yeah, but guys, I apply gold material. Yeah, and white material, and null object apply on silver. Yes, right? Okay, so now guys, select this cube and rotate 90-degree. Yeah, and go to back. Yes, again select and copy and rotate. Yeah, so go to back. Yes, see guys, right? Okay, so guys, my final animation is finished, and now I go to render setting. Guys, simple, global illumination, and record density like low, and guys, ambient occlusion, and this time ambient occlusion max relent like 50, anti use best, and guys, max level like 2. Guys, save and go to desktop and create new folder. Simple, that's my render, and take any file name, output use all. Yeah, right? So guys, go to back and play. Yeah, and closer. See guys, that's my final effect, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. So stop this animation and go to screen, and guys, last setting, change use auto params uncheck, and minimum substack like guys use 50, and is depend on your work like 100. Simple for more smoothness. Yeah, that's my more smoothness effect. See guys, that's my so smooth effect, right? Okay, so guys, stop this animation and go to cache and use cache check. Yeah, and guys, cache simulation click. After cache, guys, create render. So guys, that's it. That's my simple smooth effect